R.I.P. Jimmy Buffett. It was hard to go to college in the 90s without having someone playing this stuff. And obviously my dad's a big fan too. So this will be interesting. Greetings and salutations, shoot the love with degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, a little bit fun, hopefully. And hopefully it doesn't train wreck on me. But I bought a Margaritaville, the Bahama frozen concoction maker. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I bought it myself. I bought it on one of those like, it was either returns or something to that effect. So I got it for a way better discount than new. I think new they're like $2 to $2.50, and I think I got this one around $80, and I don't think it's been opened. So crossing fingers it all works and everything's there. I will say I probably wouldn't have spent that much money for a new one. Probably just bought a Vitamix, but hey, for $80, it's worth a try. Worst in the worst, my parents are big, Jimmy Buffett fans, and they might use it. Anyway, let's get it unboxed and see what's in there. You can find a knife on me. Oh. All right, we got instructions, recipe books. Oh, shot glass. And cables.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's see if we can figure this thing out. Should be really simple. Let's see, I think that goes on there. And I think this goes this away. All right, and it's locked in place. Okay. All right, that's simple enough. And it goes on there. Okay. All right. Got a Margaritaville maker. Cool, we're done. Now we should at least try it, right? Because I had no idea. So what I'm gathering, I went and looked at some of the reviews and tried to figure out recipes beforehand, just to make sure I had stuff to try. It looks like it's an ice grinder and then a blender. Whereas like a Vitamix or something, it would grind all the ice at one time. So I guess if you wanted like shaved ice, you could just make a batch of shaved ice, for tiki drinks or whatever. So I guess that could come in handy. Or you just use the blender, but I think you're not doing purees and stuff in it. Alright. So I noticed one thing, it's supposed to have this reservoir in the back for when ice melts up here, it just drips in here for water, so I guess that's good. With that being said, okay, so this is 1 ounce shot. We're not going to use that. They're just 4 quick steps away from Margaritaville. And no, I can't play the music because of copyright. Alright, so from what I can tell, let's see if I can see this and you guys see it. We got on and off button. We have shave and blend start button. The compass rose indicator light. And blend and all. So I guess if you just wanted to blend this or just do shaved ice into there. So I guess you could add more ice or less ice or I don't know. I'm learning this as we go. It's supposed to be simple. It's supposed to be amazing. You can just take it to the poolside and just make drinks. I saw someone come with this container. Maybe I can do a full flash up. And it had like ingredients on it, and you just like pour tequila to this line, pour triple sec to this line, pour the Margaritaville mix to this line, and lime juice to this line, and then it sits on here, and you just open it up, and it drops in there, and you're good to go. This is like no frills way. When I was looking at their recipe, I was not too fond of what they made it, because they're using orange juice, lime juice, and their Margaritaville mix, and most of those mix give me heartburn. So I think this thing says it does like three frozen drinks. So I am going to scale my version of margarita that I make all the time, my simple homemade version, and just scale it up to 3 drinks. Because I noticed that almost every recipe I found for this was somewhere in the 12 to 14 ounces for the mix, and the rest was ice. So I think mine is probably closer to 14. But you try it once. If it's too strong, next time you make it, you dial it back a little bit. Let me give this a little wipe down, a little clean up in the kitchen real quick, and then we'll give it a shot. We got those ready to go. I have no use for their recipes. Maybe it might be worth trying sometime. Not used to orange juice in a margarita, but maybe worth trying some. I don't know, but I'm gonna make mine, and we're gonna go from there. So, my normal margarita, my simple, easy go-to margarita at home, is usually 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of lime, and I normally use about half, 3/4 ounce of agave, but I'm not putting that much agave in here to waste it. So I'm just going to, otherwise I do just 1 ounce of simple syrup. So I'm just scaling that up by 3. So let's just start at the top. 6 ounces of tequila. All right, 3 ounces of triple sec. I'm using dry curacao. 3 ounces of lime juice. And 3 ounces of simple syrup. I don't know if it's gonna be too sweet or not. I don't think we'll complain too much. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's get all this out of the way. Oh, and so you probably can't see it on here. Maybe I can. I can't see it, but there's a ice level right there. So I guess you just fill this up with ice. Looks close enough to me. All right, so we got power now, and I think you just hit this and let it go. Try to get that extra side shot, So, let's see. This is 24 ounces. So I guess, let's see. I want more ice. So I don't know if there's a setting where you change it from 24 to 36 ounces or not, or if it's just automatic. I can look into that, but you get the gist. Let's just see what we got. Maybe I'll add these big margarita glasses. Maybe just one. Let's see how. Oh yeah, that's a definitely a strong margarita. I think it needs more ice. It's probably what, because it's definitely not blended. Let's throw some more in there. Can we run it again and see? Okay, I poured that back in there to try again, and where are we at? All right, so it looks like hitting it twice gives you the 36 ounce. So let's try this again. All right, now let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's a little bit more frozen drink style. I definitely say if you get one, you might have to try to hit it twice. I need to look more into it. Well, this was kind of fun and different than I'm used to. Maybe I'll try to find some other recipes and bring it back on and see if we can use it for more than just margaritas or strawberry daiquiris. I don't know. Maybe I will be a frozen drink maker at this point. Or frozen drink drinker. I don't know. Well, now rise that up. Y'all know what to do. Until next time, cheers.